by cos a cos a cos a cos square a. This is tan a. Sin 2 is a 2 sin a cos a. 2 sin a by cos a. There is cos a cos square a. This is 2 tan a. Cos square a 1 by sec square a. 2 tan a sec square a. Sec square 1 plus tan square a. Tan is equal to x. X. Tan by x is equal to a. Sin twice is equal to 2 tan a. Tan is equal to 2 tan x. 1 plus x square.